Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to follow everyone on Threads. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Threads application on your device and then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now you just have to click on your followers and then click on following. So these are the users that you have followed on Threads or Instagram. So in order to unfollow everyone here, there's no feature such as you can select everyone, so you can unfollow them, but you can unfollow them one by one. So you just have to click on this following. You'll be able to unfollow them. But for the pending, okay, when you click the pending, you'll be able to see the request that you have sent, so you can cancel that all at once. You just have to click on the cancel option at the bottom corner and then confirm. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can unfollow everyone on Threads. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future.